Now let's look at the third question. The graph of the function f is shown. Which of the following statements about f is true? Right? Now let's understand, when does a limit exist, right? So we have done that in the first and second question. So you see, when the function is continuous, then the limit exists at this point, maybe C, right? Or when there is a hole, then also the limit does exist. So in these cases, we have limit existing, right? Now, if you look at when does it not exist? So when you have a jump, something like this, suddenly the function jumps. So at C, the limit need not exist. I mean, the limit does not exist. And then you can also maybe at C there is the function is approaching infinity. Then also limit does not exist. So in this case, limit does not exist, right? So from the graph, now what do we get from the graph? Say suppose for the point A, so what we have is limit x tends to a minus, right? As x approaches from left side, the function value is approaching 4, and that should be equal to, as x tends to a plus, the function value is also approaching 4 here in this case. And because the left side limit is equal to right side limit, the limit value of the limit is also equal to 4, right? So clearly the limit exists at A. Now for B, so what we have? For B, it is limit x tends to b minus f of x. Now the value of the function is 4, the left side limit. And if you see limit x tends to b plus f of x, the value of the limit will be equal to 5, is equal to 5. And that's equal to the value of the function as well, f of b, right? You have a dot here, right? So clearly the limit does not exist. Does not exist here because the left side limit is not equal to right side limit. That's one of the reason. Or you can see from the graph, you have a jump here, right? Clearly limit does not exist. So obviously A though it is wrong, and B is also wrong, right? Because limit extends to B does not exist, right? And the limit extends to f of x does exist here. So obviously this is wrong. And limit extends to f of x is equal to 4. Yes, right? This is equal to 4. Hence the answer is B in this case.